The theory of oxidative stress as a central driver of aging has long dominated biomedical thinking, often framed as an inevitable biological decay caused by the buildup of reactive oxygen species, ROS. According to this view, our cells are slowly but surely corroded by the very oxygen they use to survive. But this interpretation frequently omits a critical nuance. Oxidative damage is not simply a byproduct of life or age, but a sign of an overwhelmed and undernourished antioxidant defense system. In fact, oxidative stress, and the cellular aging it appears to drive, is less about the presence of ROS and more about the absence of the tools the body needs to neutralize them. Far from being an intrinsic and irreversible consequence of aging, this process is largely preventable, or at least modifiable, through sufficient antioxidant nutrition. The body has powerful, built-in systems designed to deal with oxidative byproducts. Enzymes like superoxide dismutase, SOD, catalase, and glutathione peroxidase patrol the cell, dismantling dangerous molecules like superoxide radicals and hydrogen peroxide before they can cause harm. These defenses are not passive, they are nutrient-dependent. SOD, for instance, requires trace minerals such as zinc, copper, and manganese to function. Glutathione peroxidase depends on selenium. The master antioxidant glutathione itself must be synthesized from amino acids like cysteine, glycine, and glutamate. If even one of these nutrients is insufficient, the entire antioxidant network falters. Meanwhile, dietary antioxidants such as vitamin C and E act as frontline scavengers, neutralizing ROS before they reach vulnerable cellular structures like DNA, lipids, and proteins. Vitamin C regenerates oxidized vitamin E, and together they form a complementary defense. Yet these vitamins are often lacking in modern diets. Highly processed foods may be calorie-rich but micronutrient-poor, and even among health-conscious individuals, antioxidant intake can fall short of physiological needs, especially under stress, illness, or environmental exposure to toxins. When these protective systems are compromised by chronic undernutrition, oxidative stress escalates. The result is cumulative cellular damage, impaired mitochondrial function, and widespread inflammation. DNA strands become more vulnerable to breaks. Membrane lipids are peroxidized, leading to weakened cell integrity. Proteins are misfolded or cross-linked. Over time, these insults impair tissue function and accelerate what we call aging. But this cascade is not predetermined. It is the direct result of unmet antioxidant demand. In this context, oxidative stress is less of a disease mechanism and more of a symptom of biochemical neglect. We are not oxidizing because we are old, we are oxidizing because we are undersupplied. When nutrition is restored, this damage can be slowed or even reversed. Clinical trials have shown that increasing dietary intake or supplementation of antioxidants can improve markers of oxidative stress, enhance immune resilience, support cognitive function, and protect cardiovascular health. For example, raising glutathione levels through precursors like N-acetylcysteine, NAC, or glycine can improve mitochondrial efficiency and reduce cellular senescence in older adults. Similarly, supplementation with vitamin E in individuals with low baseline levels can reduce lipid peroxidation and preserve cell membrane function. This perspective also explains why aging is so heterogeneous. Some individuals remain vibrant well into old age, showing few signs of oxidative wear, while others experience early decline. The difference often lies in long-term nutritional sufficiency, whether their antioxidant defenses were consistently supported across decades. It's not just genetics or luck, it's the cumulative nutritional environment in which their cells lived. And this is good news, because it means that the trajectory of aging can be changed by changing that environment. Reframing oxidative aging as antioxidant deficiency is not just scientifically accurate, it's practically empowering. It removes the fatalistic idea that aging is just molecular rust and replaces it with a strategy for maintenance and repair. It suggests that the path to healthy longevity isn't about conquering some hidden enemy, but about meeting the body's known and measurable needs. It means that oxidative stress is not a mysterious consequence of time, but a manageable variable, one that responds directly to how we nourish and protect our internal environment. Ultimately, aging shaped by oxidative damage is not a verdict. It is a feedback loop. Cells undernourished in antioxidants signal distress, not as a function of years lived, but of protection unmet. If we listen to those signals and respond with targeted nutrition, We may not just slow aging, we may redefine it, not as a collapse of systems, but as the opportunity to renew them through intelligent and consistent biochemical support.